आयज आमी हांगा आसात रोजरी हायर सेकंडरी कॉलेजीचे भायल्यान आसा and these are the students of 12th standard. There are students who are from different like arts, commerce and science. In fact there would have been more students but due to covid protocol आणि हेका लागून गर्दी करपाक नाका म्हणून आमी फकत 25 जाणांक आपयलां. आता their issue is that this by Aloysia जावं by Shreya जावं and our youth students from mostly this Navelim area, they called upon me today afternoon and said, ma'am, we need your help. And then when I spoke to them, they told me this is a matter of concern about regarding our health mudun. And then I was like, tell me Shreya Munsale, tell me Aloysia. And she went on and she told me, ma'am, our exams are starting on Monday. I said, yes, fine. We are starting with our exams on Monday, and we were being told that it will be online exams mode. We will have to answer online mode. So I asked them, when was that? That 2 weeks prior we were told that you all will be having online exams which will be starting from Monday. Now it seems just suddenly yesterday they come to know from their teachers that they have to come physically on Monday and start answering their papers offline. Mulyar online म्हणून सांगिल्ल्यो 2 वीक पयले देखून आनी काल अकस्मात तांकां सांगतात की तुमकां मंडे साकून येवन तुमचो आन्सर करपाक पडटलो पेपर तेय कॉलेजींत येवन ऑफलायन म्हणून. सो they all got nervous. Let me tell you all, they got nervous because they are of the age of 16 and 17. होय मरे? तुमचे एज कितें? 16 to 17. आता सरकारान इंजेक्शन जॅब्स दिल्ले आसा, कोविडाचे जॅब्स दिल्ले आसा. टू whom? टू पीपल अबाव 18 years old. 18 वर्साचे सगळ्यांक कंप्लीट जाला. and these are the students who have not received their jab. त्यांचे इंजेक्शन कोविडाचे तांकां इंजेक्शन मेळ्ळें ना. their family, their parents are concerned about their health. So they were all, they सगळे आबूज जालीं, नर्वस जालीं आणि they started they got nervous and they started asking the teachers that what's going on. They tried to even call out to their principal, but it seems that there is some game being played here. The principal is saying you all discuss with the teachers and the teachers are saying you all discuss with the principal. They will tell you all. And it seems when they tried to get in contact with the concerned authorities, they are not responding. Now if you go to see, there is a circular. सरकारान कितें सांगलां, एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर म्हणटा तो प्रमोद सावंत, and Pramod Sawant being the education minister has specifically said that I think that he's thinking of starting with the college offline classes. That means college section who are in the first year, second year TY, which is section असू दे commerce, science or arts, college section आणि post graduates तो साठ सोडको सोदता. कित्याक they have already received a jabs. पण हे बाबडे भुरगीं जी 16 आणि 17 वर्साची आसा, जे हायर सेकंडरीत आसा, तेणे इंजेक्शन दिवंक घेवना आनी तुमी कशे क्लास एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट करपाक सोदता. फाल्यां समज हितूंतले कोणाक 4 जाण 5 जाणांक कोवीड जालें आनी इट स्प्रेड्स वो कोवीड जालें, कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतलो? विल द टीचर्स ऑफ हायर सेकंडरी ऑफ रोजरी विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी or will the principal take? Because see, this is the circular which I am reading, which is the notice गायल्ली आसा ते रोजरी कॉलेजीन of commerce and arts for the college section that students are hereby informed, circular number asa dated on the 16th of August that from Director of Higher Education Porvorim, that the state government has lifted restrictions imposed on the education institution for conducting classes in a physical mode. Magir kidya further, in view of above, students will be informed very soon the mode of conducting lectures. Mind you, the circular has come regarding the lectures for the academic year 2021-22 starting from 1st September 2021. A circular regarding conducting classes for the students, and that also which will start only after the 1st September, and we are today on the 19th of August. Further it states, in view of the above, students will be informed very soon the mode of conducting lectures for the academic year 21-22 starting from the 1st September. Magi Sangta to prepare the students to attend offline classes. All the students above the age of 18 years are requested to get themselves vaccinated before 1st September. आणि हिंगा ते सर्क्युलरान सांगला थर्ड पॅरा दॅट तुमकां पयलेच आमी सांगतात की बिफोर स्टार्टिंग कंडक्टिंग द एग्जाम्स दॅट जे स्टुडंट्स आसा 18 इयर्साचे अबाव तेणी जॅब घेवपाक जाय म्हूण कित्याक क्लासीस वील स्टार्ट ऑन 1st September. आणि दोज students who are not vaccinated will get themselves vaccinated in the college from 18 to 24th August 21 between 9:30 to 4 म्हणून सांगला. सो आता हे सर्क्युलर येयल्ले आसा आनी हे एप्लिकेबल जाता दोज हू अबाव 18. आता हेंची चूक कितें आसा, हे आसा 16-17 वर्सांचे. दे वर नॉट प्रिपेर्ड फॉर दीस. एटलीस्ट इफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑर द स्कूल or the education department had to make jabs ready for them, available for them. ते आपले इंजेक्शन घेता असले आनी रेडी आसता असले एग्जामीक वचपाक. एंड दे आर स्टुडियस स्टुडंट्स. हय न्ही की दे आर नॉट प्रिपेर्ड फॉल्गे सो तांकां स्टडी करपाक नाका. दे नो देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दॅट दे आर इन द स्टँडर्ड 12th एंड दे नो इट्स अ एकेडेमीक द इम्पॉर्टंट इयर म्हूण. सेकंडली म्हाका सांगपाक जाय हे पळय द डिसिजन वील बी एप्लिकेबल टू द ओनली ग्रॅज्युएट्स एंड द पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट स्टुडंट्स. द सर्क्युलर एडेड दॅट all non-vaccinated staff members excluding all who cannot be vaccinated before they are COVID-19 positive shall produce an RT-PCR certificate test report every week. So हिंगा clearly दिल्ली आसा हो आसा सर्क्युलर आनी हे आसा न्यूज आयटम जे आयिल्ले. सो म्हाका वायट दिसता कित्याक हांवें एक व्हिडिओ आयकला द प्रोफेसर इज टेलिंग देम वाय यू आर हॅरेसिंग. तुमी पोत्तून आमकां फोन मारून कित्याक बेजार कोत्ता. हय कोत्ता जाल्यार आमी हें कोत्ता जाल्यार नेक्स्ट टायम आमी हूंय दुसरे दीस फाल्यां एग्जामा म्हणल्यार आयज सांगतली म्हणून. सो वॉट इज दीस गोईंग ऑन? सी वी आर नॉट रिमुवींग द नेम्स ऑफ द टीचर्स. वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकिंग दिस एनी इशू. वी आर हियर फॉर I am here because I am concerned about this youth. I am concerned because we say that the youth are the future of our country म्हणून. आणि हेंकां तुमी बसलेले कडेन ताणण्याक घालनाकात. तुमी पयले कितें आहा तें रेडी करात तुमचे. तांकां पयले जॅब्स दियात मागीर एग्जाम. वॉट इज देर? This is just a first exams, right? And this is a mid-term. What is there to have? You all had exams last year, 10th and 12th भुरग्यांचे तुम्ही online केले. So why you all are trying to put these people in trouble? Let them receive jabs. Their parents are nervous. Their parents are feeling the heat. And it's not here only. As I've been told by the students, even colleges like Damodar's, Kamals, and rest.
No,
not Kamals. Which colleges?
Damodar's,
Multipurpose, Loyola's. They are also holding, it seems, the offline classes, which is this is very scary.
Students,
Yeah, I can't.
you to be little considerate towards the teachers. Okay, see, teachers are just getting messages, means the information right at the end, and we are immediately informing you all. And you all are saying, sir, this is too late, this, that, and all. I think henceforth, what we'll do is 1 day before only we'll inform you. Okay, 1 day before the exam, we are going to inform you that tomorrow is the exam, you'll answer. Because the way you all are like behaving, like I don't know what has gone on. You have still 5 or 6 days left to study, and you all are just messaging me, like harassing me, kind of inform this principal, this is that. You, what you do is you inform the office. If you all have any problem, you all inform the office, or you.
So now, if you all can see, this is one of the professors telling them, don't harass us. If you all have got any issues, go and talk in the office. What the students are going to talk in the office? The call has to be taken by the teachers and the principal. And by the way, they are not harassing. They are concerned about them health. They भितात, आपल्या जीवा खातीर भितात. You all know, and we are thinking of COVID, going into third wave of COVID. You all make injection jabs available and let them answer. And let me tell you all last. तांचे आवय बापायचे देखून म्हाका फोन आयल्ले आसा. They told me, please Pratima, speak out, because if you all want to start colleges, you all start, no problem, good. But there should be certain protocol to be followed. They should be aware की एक बंकार एक भुरगें बसतले, एक क्लासीत फकत 10 भुरगीं बसतलीं. इंजेक्शन अवेलेबल करात. 16 आनी 17 वर्साच्या भुरग्यांक इंजेक्शन अवेलेबल केल्ले नात आनी तांकां तुमी आपोवन त्या गर्दीन बसून एग्जाम करूंक सोदतात. डेफिनेटली कोविड जातले आनी कोण मागीर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतलो? Lailosia, you talk what you have to say.
Yeah, I feel what this is done is wrong because they just informed us last moment, that is yesterday, and as in the video that you all have seen, the sir is saying that you all have 5 to 6 days to study. Under this pressure, we cannot study like this. It's not the thing about studying or something, because we are kind of prepared, but the only thing is they all of a sudden told us about the offline examination. Also, today they have given us our timetable. Back to back we are having papers. And the main thing is the CM has clearly said you cannot be conducting physical mode classes for the students or from first primary, high school and the higher secondaries.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not just a question about our health. We have other family members at home. We have other senior members at home. We have our grandparents, and they are more at risk than us. Maybe we can get through it, no, but then them, it's very risky for them. We don't want to risk that thing. Also, every time we try to tell them about how they have informed us so late, they always tell us that it's our responsibility to study and stay, like be prepared. Yes, we will be prepared, but it's also at the same time their responsibility to tell us in advance, at least a few days, at least a week before in advance. So that is something we are trying, that's something we are not coping up with very well.
And also I feel if the education department has given the permission to them to conduct offline classes, I think it's their duty and responsibility to at least ask our parents about it. Just if our parents are ready to send their children at their own risk, and at least inform us that the education department has given the permission to hold the examinations offline. They are not answering, neither they are telling us anything about it.
As they said, it's going to be online first. Students keeping that in mind went out of the station that it's online exam and they can answer from their respective places. But then they are saying offline exam just 3 days prior to the exam. So that's not how it's done. You cannot expect students to adapt things like quickly. We also need our time to evolve and to know what is going on. We cannot risk our health just for the sake of an exam. We are actually concerned, like very concerned about our health, and also students who are out of the station, who were thinking that it's online exam, they cannot come in just 3 days or 4 days. They need some time to come back and answer the exam.
So last म्हजी इतलीच अपेक्षा आसा म्हजी इतली अपेक्षा आसा as they have told all that it is not only about the exams, or they are not worried about only that. It is the concern. They have parents at home, they have elder senior citizens at home. त्यांच्या घरा कडेन जाणटेलीं, त्यांची नाना नानी ग्रॅनीज आसात, धाकले भाव भयणी आसात. सो दे आर नॉट ओनली वरीड अबाउट देमसेल्स. फाल्यां हांकां कोवीड जालें आनी मागीर घरा कडेन स्प्रेड जालें, मागीर कितें? दुसरें म्हणटा तें some students, as teachers only had told 2 weeks prior that it will be online classes. Some of them have gone out of station, some have gone to their uncle's place, auntie's place, and they thought they'll be answering from there. Now suddenly, yesterday you all are telling them, don't think this Monday you answer kor. So parents should have been informed. You all should have taken an undertaking from the parents or something say from the parents. It's not like you all just call and the students have to come and answer. It is about risking their life and risking their family people's life also.
One teacher also told that permission has been granted from Commerce.
Who is that?
We don't know the details.
Okay.
The message has been sent that the government has given permission to conduct offline, but
Okay.
nothing like that.
Okay. So you tell that. Okay. Chalo.
Even one teacher from the commerce section, she has told the students that government has given the permission to conduct offline examination. But
There is a circular.
as per the reports, I don't think the government has taken any decision on it yet. But we are being told that government has given the decision.
There is a circular.
Yeah.
Thank you.